I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring where you are. Run a speed test and write the numbers down so you can compare later. Next, make sure you know whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet and check signal bars. That determines the steps you take. While you're at it, close any streaming or cloud apps that consume bandwidth and note your laptop's OS and wireless adapter model because drivers and settings differ by hardware. Once done, you'll be ready to change settings with purpose. Now you modify the things that actually affect throughput. Update the wireless adapter driver or firmware. Newer drivers fix slow speed bugs. Then change DNS to a fast public resolver, and for Wi-Fi, move between 4 GHz and 5 GHz, or pick a less crowded channel to reduce interference. Also open adapter properties to set maximum throughput, disable power saving, and, if available, adjust CoS priority so your laptop gets bandwidth for critical apps. After this, test speeds again. Finish by rebooting your router and laptop to apply changes, then run another speed test and compare results to your baseline. This tells you what helped. If speeds remain poor, plug in via Ethernet to determine whether Wi-Fi is the bottleneck, and try a network reset on your laptop to clear persistent config problems. If none of these steps fixes it, gather your speed logs and contact your ISP. Explain what you tried, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.